The chemistry of life, matter. Introduction to matter. Matter is the substance that makes up everything around us. It is inherently important to understand matter because it forms the basis of all physical entities, from the simplest atoms to the complex molecules that constitute living organisms. The study of matter lies at the foundation of chemistry, which in turn is essential to biology and all life sciences. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. It exists in various forms, which can be broadly categorized into elements, pure substances that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. These are represented in the periodic table, for example, hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. Compounds, substances formed by the chemical combination of two or more elements in fixed ratios, for example, water, glucose. Mixtures, combinations of two or more substances that retain their individual properties, for example, air, salad. Importance of matter. Fundamental to life, all living organisms are composed of matter. The biological processes that sustain life, such as metabolism, growth, and reproduction, are driven by the interactions and transformations of chemical substances. Chemical reactions. Matter undergoes various chemical reactions that are necessary for energy production, cellular respiration, and other life-sustaining processes. For instance, the process of photosynthesis, where plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen using sunlight, is a transformative chemical reaction involving matter. Molecular biology. The study of life's chemistry focuses on the molecules that constitute living organisms, including carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acids, and lipids. Each of these biomolecules is made up of specific arrangements of atoms, indicating how matter takes form in biological systems. Homeostasis. The regulation of matter within biological systems is critical for maintaining homeostasis, the stable internal conditions necessary for survival. This involves the transport of nutrients, the removal of waste, and the regulation of body temperature, all of which hinge on matter's properties and behaviors. Structure of matter. At the most fundamental level, matter is composed of atoms, which consist of nucleus, contains protons, positively charged, and neutrons, neutral. Electron cloud, houses electrons, negatively charged, that orbit the nucleus in defined energy levels. Atoms can combine to form molecules through chemical bonds. Covalent bonds, formed by the sharing of electron pairs between atoms. Ionic bonds, result from the transfer of electrons from one atom to another, creating charged ions that attract each other. Types of matter in biological systems. Organic matter comprises carbon-containing compounds essential for life, including carbohydrates, energy sources, for example, glucose. Lipids, components of cell membranes, for example, fats, phospholipids. Proteins, perform a myriad of functions, including enzyme catalysis and structural roles. Nucleic acids, store and transmit genetic information, for example, DNA, RNA. Inorganic matter includes minerals and water, which are vital for biological functions, such as ions, crucial for cellular signaling and physiological processes, for example, sodium, potassium. Water, the most abundant molecule in biological systems, acting as a solvent and participant in biochemical reactions. Next video. The role of matter in evolution and ecology.